Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Ah! Clint, I think you're not in the power band when you whack it. Huh? I am. Yeah, it's just power. Say if I put it in second, you gotta be in the power band though, and then you just, I don't know if I should clutch it up. That was third. Yeah. I need to get one of these. Dang it, every time I get on this, dude. Hey, 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 hey. Ah! 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 Oklahoma! This is so fun. Bro, it's so weird looking at my bike going down the road. Ah, rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it, rev it. Ah. Ah. Oh, look at that. It's just in neutral. Yeah, good luck. You got it. Dude. I don't have one of these. In third, you just I think what you're doing is you're too low in the power band when you're in second. You gotta either give it a whole bunch of beans or just like accelerate a lot harder than you're used to. It'll float up. Just give it some beans, man. Refried. I can't get an R1, dude. I think it'd be a mistake. Yeah, with as much fun that I'm having on this, man, I don't know. Yeah. I want to make that a track bike, and then that'll be my yeet machine, and then I can just have this for all the stuff I do with you guys. That's the ultimate combo. Yeah, this is like, it's like comfy, especially for roads like this. That's a little stiffer, but it's not as stiff as it used to be though. It was maxed out. Oh man, that's beautiful. Once you can see past the trees. It's really hard on that. And we just snapped off completely. Oh my gosh. Yeah. There's nowhere to tuck. Like, I'm just like Do you want to take the scenic way back? Yeah. Yeah. Like we're gonna go to the dam. Okay. Okay. top speed on this thing is not the move. I'm like holding on for dear life at 150. I did, you just didn't see it. I stopped so fast. Oh yeah! That one? It's so pretty! Another tree. Another one! Look at that! Look at the name on that hovercraft! Fan boat? Who says that? The South? Dog up here, loose dog. Don't hit it. Don't hit the boy. He's a good boy. Aw. He's a certified good boy. What is my man doing? You just have cruise control set, dude? You turd. Falling rock. That's how you know it's a nice road. Oh. It's so pretty. You can't park there. ABS kicked in, bro. I just tried to skirt it. And I was like... I felt the rear. I don't know about the front. Cop. I was about to go up on that curb too. I think I'd be a menace if I got a naked. Another cop up here, sitting down there. Down there. Oh. This vet. Ooh. Oh, it's a Z06. Ah. You feel alright? You gotta grip with your knees. Wow. A cone! He got the cone! He got... Oh. Oh. Ow! Oh! That hit me! Man, that thing sounds so good. Oh, what? Oh. I cannot hear you. That thing is so loud. No wonder I can't hear y'all. Ah! Ah! I should be able to slide the rear on this. It's actually bothering me that I can't. See, you just gotta... Did my wheel come out? Did I do a wheelie? I did a wheelie! Ah! I got it! I got it! That was a mistake. It stuck on my foot. I was like, oh no, 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 no.
We good.
Do you need gas? Okay. I was just gonna pull up by the air pump.